Food has a way of bringing people together. The Foodie Club at Torrey Pines has taken this idea to heart. Club President Emma Herrick shares why she joined Foodie Club.
I'm Emma Herrick and I'm the club president of Foodie Club. So I joined this club when I was a freshman and I saw it at the club fair and I just thought it was really interesting and a good way to make friends, and I also love cooking, so I thought it'd be perfect, and now I'm the president. So our club meets once a month, usually towards the end of the month, and sometimes it kind of corresponds to holidays, especially around this time of year. Like we just had a Thanksgiving theme.
Everyone kind of brought just like snacks and food that you'd have like at a Thanksgiving dinner, and it's kind of fun to do before break.
Our club meets once a month at the grass outside of admin, and we all make food at home, and usually it matches a theme, and we all bring it to share at lunch, and so it's basically like a potluck of a bunch of different food items.
Emma and Lily explain how the club works and the environment of the club.
I feel like the environment is really good. I feel like everyone is super friendly, so people who have known each other for a long time or even just meeting them during the meeting, everyone's super nice and just like grateful for everything everyone brings.
Lily and Emma share where their love from cooking stemmed from and their favorite part of Foodie Club.
I love cooking because I feel like it reminds me of family, because my grandma always, whenever we visit her house, we have these big meals with all of our family, and it just reminds me of comfort and being with the people that I love.
I like cooking because I feel like it kind of is relaxing. It takes time off of stress of doing homework and gives you a break to make something that people enjoy.
My favorite part about Foodie Club is just whenever new people show up, I love getting to meet new people and seeing what kind of food they make.
I just thought it was really like a great idea that people come together once a month and just kind of make food and you can eat it.
I also love seeing people express their creativity and explore new hobbies such as cooking. My favorite dish that I've made is bread. I made bread from scratch recently and that was really fun. Last meeting, Lauren brought these mini pumpkin pies and they were really good. I like exploring cooking different things, stuff I've never tried before, and getting out of my comfort zone with all different kinds of foods. I hope that after I graduate that underclassmen take over the club and carry it on and continue our traditions. I would recommend anyone to join this club that's interested in cooking at all, or even just eating food and making new friends. It's a great opportunity to meet new people.
Thank you to Emma and Lily for informing us about this cool new club on campus.
If you're interested at all, check out our Instagram. It's Foodie Club 2024 TPHS, and we'd love to see new faces, and all the meetings are posted there.
This has been Summer Brandt, Bella Carr, and Seb Pinnick signing off for Falcon Vision.